Web chat is an online service that allows you to speak to the police using a messenger-style service. It is accessed through the website by clicking on the following link in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. The following pop-up screen will appear that allows you to select the type of inquiry you have. Select the inquiry you have by clicking on the arrow. The following page will appear. Please enter your name, phone number and email address here. The subject box allows you to give a brief description. If you want to talk about a previous incident and you have the reference number, please enter it here. In order to continue through to the chat, you must read and understand the disclaimer and tick the following box. You can now click Chat Now. When you are connected to a web chat, the following page will appear. You have the option to type in this box. If you wish to receive a transcript of the chat, you must tick the following box. When an agent is replying to you, you will be informed that the agent is typing here. Their replies to you will be displayed within the chat screen. When you receive a reply, there will be a noise alert that can be turned on and off by clicking the following button. Once you have finished the chat, you can exit the screen by clicking on the red cross.